Would you like to know my top 5 highlights of Gardener's World Autumn Fair? So, there is loads of shopping.
I have bought some things today. I've actually left a crush for my husband. I'm able to leave him with the plants so I could go wandering and really enjoy the day out.
These are going to be going in my front garden, so Mediterranean style, and actually we were really impressed with the sculptures and things. Bought myself a little bird bath as well.
The place is full of ideas and inspiration for your garden.
The gardens here have been really inspirational. The displays have been, definitely lots of ideas.
It's great looking at the show gardens because you can see lots of different things laid together. Even if it's like just a very small idea, you can take it away with you.
There are a load of experts providing garden advice.
They gave us a few advice on when to buy the plants and what size and what time of the year.
There was a plant, for example, I bought last year, which hasn't flowered again, but I was able to show a photograph to the stall holder and she was able to give me advice.
We always love garden and flower stuff. We go around and we'll be like, oh, we like the look of that. We'll have no idea what it is. And then you'll get told exactly what it is, how to look after it, and everyone's just so nice and friendly.
Every day is a school day in Gardener's World, and I've learned so much today.
Within the price of your ticket, you get to explore Audley End.
The venue is absolutely stunning, so I think it sets the whole scene beautifully.
There's so much to see. It's in such a beautifully wide landscape.
I think the value for money is fantastic because you've got your ability to visit the house and the beautiful gardens, and then on top of that you've got just beautiful stalls, so many opportunities to buy lots of things. We had a lovely lunch, didn't we, listening to the band.
All in all, it's a super day out.